know y'all want to hear that epic startup sound, so let's start off on low first. All right, there y'all go. There's a startup sound from the P23. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Lamont the Fan Man, and out. The spin down time is way longer. So I'll turn it back around so y'all can see the spin down time. Spin down time is much longer. I've oiled the crap out of this thing. Especially when I spin it down from low speed. Like if I spin it up to low speed, and then I just turn it off, the spin down time would take a little bit longer. Especially from low speed. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the startup sound and the spin down time. Lamont the Fan Man, and out.